The Skylink SC1000 system is a complete wireless security system with no monitoring fees required. This Skylink system consists of an emergency dialer, which we will talk about later in the video, as well as a control panel, 2 door window sensors, and a keychain transmitter. Installing the control panel. Open the case and press the 2 tabs on the top of the panel. Pull open the front, and now thread the AC adapter cord through the large hole in the back of the unit and plug it into the circuit board as shown. This adapter cord must be inserted through the back before the unit is attached to the wall. Insert the 9-volt battery and rotate the antenna from the inside of the control panel to the outside. Now firmly close the case. Plug the AC adapter into the power outlet, and the red AC power light and keypad backlight will turn on. Installing the door window sensor. Position the transmitter beside the door window frame on the wall. Then position the magnetic switch connected to the transmitter. Now position the magnet on the door beside the magnetic switch. They should be no more than 1 centimeter apart. When the window and door is opened, contact is broken and the transmitter will send a signal to the control panel. The motion sensor should be used to maximize an area. Senses up to about 40 feet away in a 110-degree arc. It's best to install 5 to 7 feet above the ground and in a corner. To set the control panel to chime mode, enter your master pin on the control panel. Press the letter A and then press the pound button. The red arm light and all 4 green lights will go on. Before using your security system, test to make sure that the door and window sensors and motion sensor are communicating with the control panel. You can set the control panel to chime mode, which will omit 2-tone chimes instead of an alarm sound. To arm your system when you are the last person leaving the premises to the away sequence, press the current master pin, B, and then C. You should hear a long beep. Both green and red lights flash in Zone 1 for 45 seconds. This will give you enough time to leave before the system is activated. After the 45 seconds are up, both the green and red lights in Zone 1 and 2 remain on. The system will give you 30 seconds from the time you enter the premises to turn the system off. To arm the system to night sequence, when there are people in the premises and no one is expected to enter or exit, press the current master pin, the A button, and then the B. You should hear a long beep. Notice that the sensors in Zone 2 are not lit up. The motion sensor remains off, allowing movement throughout the premises. Each system comes factory pre-programmed with the numbers 000 as the password. To change this master pin, enter the current master pin, 000, press the star key, press the 0 key, and then press the star key and enter your new pin. The pin must be at least 3 digits long. When you are finished, press the star key. To arm and disarm using the keychain transmitter, make sure you press down on the transmitter for 1 full second or the system may not respond. Button number 1 can set the system to away sequence. When the system is armed, button number 3 can disarm the control panel. Button number 2 can set the system to home sequence. When the siren is sounding, button number 3 can deactivate the alarm. To program a sensor, press the master pin, the B button, and the zone you would like to put the sensor in, and then you press the star key. While the lights are flashing, activate the sensor. You should hear a long beep and the lights will stop flashing. This will indicate that the sensor has been learned. When programming a keychain transmitter or keypad transmitter, model KP434, Zone 5 is designated for this only. Please do not program any other sensors into this zone, or otherwise the system will not work properly. Skylink's AD433S Emergency Dialer. All the materials required are included in this package. You should find one telephone line, one AC adapter, and one 9-volt battery. Installing the emergency dialer. To mount the dialer, open the case by pressing the 2 tabs on the top. The adapter cord must be inserted through the back of the unit before it is attached to the wall. Thread the AC adapter cord through the top hole, and then plug it into the AC connector on the circuit board as shown. Thread the telephone line through the back of the unit and plug it into the line jack. Now thread the telephone cord into the phone jack on the AD433S. Insert the 9-volt backup battery. The dialer supports both tone and pulse dialing. The tone pulse switch is located at the upper left corner on the circuit board. This can be changed by sliding the switch to the appropriate position. Next, rotate the antenna from the inside to the outside. Now firmly close the case. The red AC power light will turn on and the keypad backlight will flash. Standard programming. To program the clock, press the L and the 4 key. The flashing digit is the number that you are currently changing. Please note that the clock is in 24-hour mode. Using the keypad, enter the desired numbers. Press and hold the RP key for 2 seconds to record your emergency voice message.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
After you are finished recording the message, press the RP key again.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
The dialer can store up to 9 different phone numbers. To program a phone number, press the memory key and select the memory location on the keypad from numbers 1 to 9. After you have stored the number, redial 3 will appear on the display. Enter a number from 1 to 9 to change this redial count. Now the dialer will show repeat 3. This is the number of times the message will be repeated during that one call. To change the repeat count, enter a number from 1 to 9. The dialer should now be in standby mode. To delete a phone number, press the memory key and then the memory location. While the phone number is on the display, press the RP key to delete the phone number. To begin advanced programming, now you will program the calling time. Calling time is the amount of time the phone will ring until the call is disconnected. Factory default is set to 30 seconds. You can change this by selecting numbers 1 to 5. Press the L key plus the 3 key. 1 means that the dialer is set to regular phone. To change the setting to PABX phone, press the number 2. To turn on the universal dial tone, press the L key and then press the 9 key. The number 1 indicates that the universal dial tone is turned off. To turn this on, press the number 2 within 5 seconds. To program the dial sequence setting, press the L key and then press the 0 key. Now select either 1 or 2. Number 1 means the dialer will phone each number once and then repeat the sequence. Number 2 means the dialer will finish dialing the first phone number and then begin the second number. To arm and disarm the dialer, press the L and the 7 key. The number 1 indicates arm. To disarm the dialer, press the number 2 key. Thank you for purchasing Skylink's Total Protection Alarm System. For additional sensors and transmitters to work with your dial alert, please visit us on the web at www.skylinkhome.com or call us for more information on how to fully expand this system. Thank you.